Hello students, today we are continuing with the equation of line chapter of class 11 maths, and today we are also again going to revise the class 10 portion, and slowly from next video onwards we will be proceeding towards class 11. So keep making your base and concept clear before going to the class 11 sections. So see, here's a question. If 2x minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0 and px plus 6y plus 7 equal to 0 are parallel lines, find the value of p. Now very easy type of question. Now see, the given equation is 2x minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. Now our first target is to arrange in y equal to mx plus c format, right? So you keep y on one side and the x and the constant on the other side. So send this minus 3y there, it will become plus 3y. So plus 3y is equal to 2x plus 5 after sending the minus 3y over there. Fine. So we have 3y equal to 2x plus 5. Now you bring this 3 down, that is you divide by 3, you bring this 3 down and split it separately so that to arrange in y equal to mx plus c format. So you will get 2x by 3 plus 5 by 3. Now comparing with this equation y equal to mx plus c, you are getting the m over here is 2 by 3. So m1, if we will denote the slope of this line as m1, so m1 is equal to 2 by 3 is the slope of this line. Exactly similar way, the second equation is given px plus 6y equal to 7. So px plus 6y equal to 7, you keep the 6y over here because we need y in one side, you send the px and 7 there. So px will go there and it will become minus px, and the 7 will also go there, that side of the equal to, so it will become minus 7. So similarly you bring the 6 down by cross multiplication, you bring the 6 down and split it. So you have minus 6p by 6x minus 7 by 6, right? So if you will insert one plus sign over here and you will write like this manner, minus p by 6x plus of minus 7 by 6. So you can compare with this general equation y equal to mx plus c, and from that you are getting the coefficient of x, which is minus p by 6 over here. So if you will represent this slope as m2, so your m2 is minus p by 6. Now you know, since the lines are parallel, so slopes are equal for parallel case, right? So m1 is equal to m2, so you equate the two slopes since they are parallel set. So 2 by 3 is equal to minus p by 6. Now you simply do cross multiplication to solve it. You bring the 6 there, so 6 2 is 12, and you bring the 3 there right side, so is equal to minus 3p, and bring the 3 down, so 12 by minus 3 will give you your p. You cancel, you will get p equal to minus 4 is the value of the p. Now if the same question, if instead of parallel the word perpendicular is used, then you know that for perpendicular case the condition is the product of the two slopes, that is m1 into m2 is how much, is minus 1. So if in the same question, if perpendicular is given, so in the same format, the way you have calculated the slopes of parallels, you will calculate the slope for parallel and you put the value of the slope in this condition of perpendicularity. So m1 is equal to 2 by 3 into m2, we have got minus p by 6. So you cancel, so this 2 and this 6 will get cancelled and give you 3. So minus p by 9, you do cross multiplication, minus p by 9 is equal to minus 1 there, you cancel the minus from the both side. So p by 9 is equal to 1, you do cross multiplication, bring the 9 there, so p equal to 9 is the value of p, if the question would have been given in perpendicular. Now see one more question. Find the equation of the line through the point P minus 5 comma 1 and parallel to the line joining points A 7 comma minus 1 and B 0 comma 3. Now here two points are given, and joining two points we can easily find the equation of the line. But the question is, here the points are given, and joining the points we will get one equation, and we have to find the equation of another line, that is this line, which is passing through this point minus 5 comma 1 and is parallel to the given line. So from the points of the given line, that is this AB, we can easily calculate the slope. We can easily calculate the slope from 2-point formula, because we know slope equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is the formula for slope. So here this is x1 and this one is y1, and this is x2 and this 3 is y2. Now putting the value in the formula of slope, you will get the value of slope, that is y2 is 3, see, minus y1 is minus 1, so minus for the formula, and minus 1 is y1 by x2 which is 0 minus x1 which is 7. So this minus minus will give you plus, so 3 plus 1 give you 4, so 4 by minus 7 is the slope of the line, given line. And since this given line and the line whose equation we are going to find, they are parallel, so the slopes will be equal. So you use this slope for this line, since they are parallel, so their slopes will be equal. So the slope of this line will be equal to the slope of this line also. So we have got the slope for this line from this 2 point, and we know the slope now, and we have the point also through which this line is passing. So we can easily calculate the equation of the line from point slope formula, that is y minus y1 is equal to m2 slope x minus x1. Fine. So y minus, see the point y1, the y1 is 1 here, so y minus y1 is equal to the slope which we have already calculated, that is 4 by 7, you put over here minus 4 by 7 in the bracket, x minus, and x1 is, see, x1 is minus 5, so minus of minus 5. So you open minus minus, this will give you x plus 5. You do cross multiplication to solve, because cross multiplication is the best technique. You bring this 7 there, so 7 in the bracket there is y minus 1 is equal to here minus 4 into x plus 5. You open the bracket, so 7 into y, 7y plus minus minus 7 into 1, 7 is equal to, you open plus minus minus 4x plus minus minus 5 4 is 20, minus 20. So you bring 4x there, so send 4x there, so 4x 7y is already there. Fine, you bring the 20 there, so minus 7 plus 20 will give you plus 13 is equal to 0, which is the required equation of the line. So students, keep studying. Thanks for watching. This is Shagnik sir.